This is a 1-scoop order for Joelle from her Ninang. She likes Cinnamoroll. Two clear pouches. I exchanged one for this file folder. Let's add 2 notebooks. One pen. Plus 3 more. One mechanical pencil. Let's add an eraser. One mini notebook. Plus 2 more. One memo pad. Plus 1 more. One washi tape. Plus 1 more. One sticky note. Plus 1 more. Two stickers. Plus 2 more. One keychain. One plush pencil bag. One pencil case. One claw clip. Plus 1 more. One plush charm. One comb. I switched it out for this plush hair clip. One card holder. One mini charm. Plus 3 more. One pin badge. Plus 1 more. Okay, Joelle, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.